Good morning, everybody, and welcome. This is our daily agenda for Friday, April 23rd. Today is evens. Just as a reminder for your do not today, you are going to be working on Quill. So I want you guys, we are continuing on with our digital portfolios today. We have a couple last minute things, and then you guys are all set for this mini unit. Reminder, this is going to be for open house, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you guys will be showing your parents, so we want to make sure we're doing good work with these digital portfolios. All right, so from today, you should be all the way up to from your 30-day writing challenge to the GATE Showcase 2021, Preserving Legacy. So you guys should be somewhere along that along there. You should be done with 30-day writing challenge. You should be up to or near the GATE Showcase for today. All right. So today, I'm giving you guys some of your final reflection questions. Some of you guys are working a little bit ahead, which is perfectly fine. So I want to make sure you have these final reflection questions. It's located in your Google Classroom. These are the directions for your final reflection video. So let me show you what that looks like. So you guys are going to answer the following questions. So these 4 questions, you're going to answer them on this second, but it's really the third slide. I'm just going to change that actually, because some of you guys, you guys will call me out on it. All right, and you're going to answer it in complete sentences as well. That's not a complete sentence. How funny. Incomplete sentences. After answering these questions, make sure to record yourself in a video answering them, very similar to what you guys did for the GATE Showcase, that final reflection as well. You're going to attach this recording to your digital portfolios. You guys learned this new skill. I want you guys to use it. So you're going to be telling me which assignment or project are you the most proud of? Why are you proud of it? What ELA assignments helped you learn the most this year? And what did you learn from this assignment? Which ELA concept and skills do you feel the most confident in now? And how does what you learned this year connect with other content areas, so other subjects? So how does what you learned here in English help you in history? How does it help you in the real world learning about how to write? How does that help you? I want you guys to make those connections. If you need sentence frames, I have them provided here below for you. If you just kind of are like, how do I get started? This will help you get started. And then you will type your answers here. Where you will attach your videos is to the actual digital project. So let me show you. So that last slide, just in case you haven't seen it for whatever reason, which is fine. This slide, this says my final reflection. This is where the video will go. All right. You may put your questions here. Actually, no, I don't want your questions here. Just the video. Just the video looks fine. All right. So that's just what that looks like. For those of you that are close enough to be almost done, that's where that will go. If you're not done, don't worry. If you're still working on this checklist, A-okay. No worries. So, some of you guys gave me questions yesterday on where is TPAC, where is the article, what are you confused? It's okay, let's clean it up. Your TPAC paragraph is located under Semester 2 TPAC writing practice. So it looks like this, okay? This is what the actual assignment looks like. That's the TPAC that I want to see. Your article annotation, Semester 2 TPAC writing practice. So it's under the same place. It's the article that's titled, What Do the Kids Say? Students Sound Off on School During a Pandemic. That's the article you annotated to me. So that's what you will do. Then your graphic organizer, it's under Semester 2 Argumentative Writing. It's titled Argumentative Prompt Practice. Okay, this is where it's located in Google Classroom. Your final argumentative essay, located here under Semester 2 Argumentative Writing, Argumentation, the rough draft. That's really where you guys have your essays. The Hunger Games materials. Pick any one of these that we worked on, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't want to show you any, just one. Just pick one from Semester 1. Your free writes, again, these are located in Semester 2, The Outsiders, these. Pick your favorite prompt. Make sure you include your work, okay? And your 2021 vision board, it's located under Semester 2 Goal Setting, okay? I did not include where to find your GATE Showcase. At this point, you guys should all know where to find your GATE Showcase. And your 30-day writing challenge, you guys should have that in, so I shouldn't have to show you where to find that. Your reflection for you this year, you have the directions, so you guys are all good to go there, okay? And then, just double checking. So, I know it's not really with this class, but just in case, for some of you that are missing assignments, forgot to do a Hunger Games assignment, forgot to do a mini assignment here or there, it's fine. What you guys are going to do instead on the page, don't delete it. You know, that work was still there. It still exists, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are missing assignments in your portfolios, what prevented you from finishing your assignment or project? So there are some sentence frames. What prevented me from finishing the assignment was, or I was unable to complete this assignment because. In this assignment/project, what would you have written or talked about? So you have to answer these two questions right here. Right here, where it says, write what obstacle prevented you. So you have to do that. I'm going to actually put that in red. Not that red, but red. That way you guys know exactly what to answer. And then the second question is what you would have written or talked about. I want to know, what would you have done? If you didn't do your vision board, what would you have done? Would you have written goals about writing? Would you have written goals about being a better musician if you're in band? Whatever your goals are, just kind of write a little bit about what you would have done. All right, guys, that's really all that we're going to be doing today. Just wanted to make that apparent. That is all of the final elements that you are going to be needing for your digital portfolios. We'll be grading them again next week, or you guys will be grading them again next week, so I can see how those scores have changed. For today, I want to do a progress check. So red, I've only inputted 1 to 2 slides. Yellow, I've inputted 2 to 4 slides. Green, I've inputted 4 to 6 slides. So you guys are going to be telling me red, yellow, or green today in class. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions or are confused about anything or just need more information, please reach out to me, Ms. Arroyo, or Ms. Reyes, and we'll help you out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.